Hi everyone, welcome to RPA Explorers channel.
I hope you all are doing good. So this is going to be the continuation of Microsoft Outlook connector method. In the last two videos we have seen get mails, mark as read, unread and save email. So we'll continue with the other method in this video. So as continuation of part 2 video where we have saved the email, let's use the next method which is called read message file. So this is nothing but if you have any message file which is saved on any particular folder, you can read that message file without opening it. So if you have watched my last video where I have used this save mail in the message format to save all my emails. So here we have few emails which is in the message format. If we have any message which is .msg, you can loop through them and read it. So I'm just going to take the directory path rather than the single file path. And so let's use the component called get files. So I'm going to provide my directory path. And also if you have any subdirectories, you can just enable it to true. And next is file extension. So I'm going to get only the message extension. So this will give us a list of emails. So I'm just going to use this for each. Let's pass this list to the collection. And to display the output, we'll use this show from message box. And now the logic is built. So before we execute any other Microsoft Outlook method, make sure we use this set account firstly. So let's connect this and trigger the process now. So this is the first file path body. This is the second one. As we have saved all the email which is from the subject demo on email connector, so we have body for all the emails are the same. In case you have different email which got saved into specific folder, you can loop through them using this read message file, and you can read any message file which is stored on a given folder. So thanks for watching. In the next video we'll see rest of the methods.